not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of yesterday's video in today's description box. Whoever needs it can download it now. People are asking me to extend the length of videos to more than 10 minutes. I wanted to know the number. So please mention your views in the comment section. If you want me to extend the video's length, then comment yes. If not, comment no. Let's start. Which of the following leaders signed Instrument of Accession of Jammu and Kashmir to India? Indira Gandhi and Sheikh Abdullah, Rajiv Gandhi and Farooq Abdullah, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Maharaja Hari Singh, Vallabhbhai Patel and Rana Pratap Singh. The answer is C. Pandit Nehru and Maharaja Hari Singh of Jammu and Kashmir. Instrument of Accession of Jammu and Kashmir is a very important topic. Each and every day the state of Jammu and Kashmir is in news. You need to know each and every point. No, they signed on 26th of October 1947. Remember this day. The state surrendered only 3 subjects to India, that is defense, the external affairs and the communications. Remember these 3 points, very important from exam point of view. Now recently Supreme Court declines the petition challenging the Article 370. The petition says that Article 370 was only temporary provision and not a permanent one, which gives the autonomous to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Now it is against the spirit of oneness to India, that is restricting citizens from other states getting employment or buying property in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. The petition says that this is a violation of the fundamental right. So remember Article 370 and Article 35A. We have discussed it earlier. Very important. Who will be appointed as the next Chief Election Commissioner of India? Sunil Arora, Om Prakash Rawat, T.N. Seshan or Sukumar Sen? The answer is A. Sunil Arora. He will be the next Chief Election Commissioner of India. Now the present CEC is Om Prakash Rawat. The first Chief Election Commissioner was Sukumar Sen, and one of the important Chief Election Commissioners of India was T.N. Seshan. So remember all these names related to Election Commission, asked many times in many exams. Article 324 states Election Commission shall consist of the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners to the state. Now term is very important, asked many times in many exams. You need to remember this point. The term of Election Commission would be 6 years or until they attain the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. Indian Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi is serving as dash CJI, 46 CJI, 47 CJI, 48 CJI or 49 CJI. Now these kind of questions are always asked in railways, CGL or CHSL. You need to know. The answer is 46th CJI. Ranjan Gogoi, Indian judge serving as a 46th current Chief Justice of India since 3rd October 2018. He is the first person from Northeast India and the first Assamese to become the Chief Justice of India. Now yesterday he spoke on the occasion of Constitution Day, that was on November 26th. He says to obey the Constitution of India or else you need to face the consequences. What is the capital of Maldives? Victoria, Malé, Port Louis or Antananarivo? The answer is B. Malé. You need to know all the important capital cities of all the countries of the world. One expected question from this area. Victoria is the capital city of Seychelles. Port Louis is the capital city of Mauritius. And Antananarivo is the capital city of Madagascar. Remember, very important. Now, President of Maldives, recently elected Ibrahim Soli, will be visiting India on December 17 this year. Earlier, Prime Minister Modi attended the swearing-in ceremony of Ibrahim Soli on November 17th. So remember, the President of Maldives Important Ibrahim Soli. Who is the Indian coach for Hockey World Cup 2018? Harendra Singh, Mandeep Singh, Harjeet Singh or Surinder Kumar? The answer is A. Harendra Singh. Very important, you need to know the Indian coach for hockey. Now, the state of Odisha is hosting this Hockey World Cup in Kalinga Stadium. Almost 16 countries are participating in this event, divided into 4 groups. Concentrate on the third group, Pool C. We have Belgium, India, Canada and South Africa. Now, India will be playing its first match against South Africa on November 28th. We have discussed earlier that India had won the World Cup only once so far in 1975. Let's hope they will win this time. How many players will represent each team in volleyball? 7 players, 8 players, 6 players or 5 players? The answer is C, 6 players. Very important, you need to know how many players represent each team in each and every sport. Many times these kind of questions appear in many exams. The first pro volleyball league will be starting in India the next year. 6 teams will take part in this first pro volleyball league. The venue will be in Kochi and Chennai. Now, this event will take place from February 2nd to February 22nd, 2019 to bring out the best Indian talent and to learn from the top international players. Earlier we had IPL for cricket, Pro Kabaddi League and Indian Badminton League, and now the Pro Volleyball League will begin. Which scheme was started by Government of India to provide financial support to farmers suffering crop loss? Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, Soil Health Card Schemes or E. National Agricultural Marketing? The answer is B. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. The options I have provided, the similar way it will appear in the exam. They will not give you the full forms. You must know the full forms of each and every government scheme. Now, recently Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana has been modified. The crop insurance companies delaying the claim payouts beyond 2 months from the prescribed date will have to pay 12% interest to the farmers. Now, this is the news regarding farmers. Now, they will march to Delhi demanding the fixed MSP's minimum support price and to clear their loans on November 29th and 30. Sloganeering Delhi Chalo. Almost 1 lakh farmers expected to take this march in Delhi. Airavatham Mahadevan, who passed away recently, is a scholar in which of the following? Literature, music, epigraphy or numismatics? The answer is C, epigraphy. It is a study and interpretation of ancient inscriptions. It is difficult to read the script used by our ancients, so these epigraphists will decode the scripts and identify their meaning. Airavatham Mahadevan worked on deciphering the Indus script. He is a preeminent scholar on the Tamil Brahmi script. He is also the former member of IAS, joined the service in 1954. He was awarded Padma Shri in the year 2009. So remember Airavatham Mahadevan related to epigraphy. Minimum Wages Act of Indian Labour Law has commenced in which year? 1947, 1948, 1950 or 1952? Now, very important questions. This question has been asked previously. The answer is B, 1948. Minimum Wages Act of 1948. The Indian Labour Law sets the minimum wages that must be paid to skilled and unskilled labourers. Now, recently a PIL, public interest litigation, has been filed by NGO called Common Cause to protect the domestic workers' rights. They have filed in the petition to reduce the working hours of the domestic workers to 8 hours per day and to provide mandatory weekly off as a basic right under Article 21. No Spin is the autobiography of which of the following cricketer? Now I have repeated the question because day before yesterday's video there was a mistake I have given in the options. The answer for this is A. Shane Warne. Remember, the autobiography of Shane Warne is No Spin. So this is it for today. Thank you all for supporting us. Recently we crossed 1000 subscribers, so I'm planning to launch a giveaway for all my subscribers. Keep watching my videos for further details and do not forget to download the PDF. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.